This is Lucky 7 Garage, where we drink Mountain Dew, do it for Dale, and build cool cars. So, before the video begins, if you want to stay in the loop of everything I'm doing, you can follow me on Instagram at Lucky7Garage_ on Instagram, and you can see everything I'm doing ahead of time. You can text me, ask me questions or anything like that, or you can comment, like, whatever, ask any questions. I like questions, so just ask questions. I'm live all the time. I'm always posting. I'm always on Instagram, so you can always ask me any questions. So, yeah. Now, let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, so we are going to be assembling the bottom end of the engine. I have it on an engine stand here outside. I put on it by myself with no engine hoist or anything like that. So just imagine how much of a pain that was. Putting that big old iron block on that freaking engine stand. So, and I did it. Don't ask how I did it. Actually, ask how I did it in the comments, and then I'll tell you how I did it. It's pretty funny. But yeah, I got my stuff. I got my you can see, got my assembly lube, got my little ring compressor, got some brake cleaner, and I got some napkins to wipe stuff dry and clean off, whatever, wipe stuff down, whatever I need to do. So let's go ahead and assemble this thing. My phone is about to die, so I guess I just record you guys as I do it. I might not even be able to do a lot. I might be able to put like 2 pistons in, maybe 3. I might can put all in. I don't know. I might can put all 8 in there. I don't know. But we're gonna see. So, okay, so this is the actual cylinder that we're gonna use. This right here just a little dirty. I ain't using no brake cleaner wipe at all, but it's nothing. So this is what we're gonna do. I actually end up cleaning this one now. You see it's actually cleaned, and then this one, I thought it was the other one, but it's actually flips as the opposite actually. So I'm actually gonna do this one right here, clean this one. Steps we're gonna do is I cleaned the crank already. You see it's you can't really see, but there you go. It's dry. That's moist with WD-40 to keep from flash rusting. That one is dry because I'm gonna put lubricant on that. I wanted to clean it, put some actual assembly lube on there, and then clean this, and then put some assembly lube on there, so that way that everything be lubed up, the piston rings and stuff. And then whenever I start it, or whoever starts it, I mean, I should be selling the engine anyway, but it'll be smoking and stuff whenever they start. I'll let them know, whoever gets it. If I keep it, then I know, but whoever gets it, then it'll be smoking. So let's go ahead and clean that up, clean the bearings off, and put it in. Now we clean the bearing up. Clean that one up too. I'm gonna lube it up. Don't lube the back side, but only lube the top side of it, because if you lube the back side, then you're gonna spin the bearing. So ask me how I know, but yeah. We're gonna lube this up. I got some, this is what I used right here. Lubricant for the engine transmissions. Now I usually don't use this, but I usually use Lucas, but this is what I have for right now. It's brand new. I haven't opened it yet, but we're gonna use that, and then lubricate this, lubricate the piston, the cylinder walls and stuff like that, and put it together. Okay, so you can barely see me, but I just did 2 pistons. I only did 2 for the night. That's all I got for right now. Hold on, so you can see me. That's all I can do right now. So I'm gonna flip the camera and show you what I did, so you can see. And yeah. So we got number 6 in, and then we got number 5 in. I think I already have 5 marked, but it came off. But I knew it was that one. So there we go. That's what we got. You can really see everything because I got this like light on my head, and it's like very bright. So this is what I got from the little tool haul I did from Lowe's and Craftsman. So that's what we did. I'm gonna spin it around for a little second so you can see. Easy. Nothing hanging up. There you go. There we go. Lubed up real nice. You can see the lube on there still. It looked a little dirty, but